Josh, what is wrong with you?
My phone is doing all this weird shit today.
Oh, I hate that. Well, how long have you had it?
I don't know, a year and a half, I guess?
Makes sense. That's when they get you.
What? That's when who gets me?
The phone company. They know. When your phone gets to be about a year and a half oldish, they push the button.
Rebecca, what are you talking about?
The phone company doesn't want to just give you a new phone every 2 years. They'd rather you get pissed at your shitty old phone and have to pay full price for a new one. So, a couple of months before your free upgrade is ready, they push the button and your phone takes a total nosedive. Dunzo. Gotta get a new phone.
Rebecca, that's ridiculous. That can't be a thing. That's not a thing.
All right, you big idiot.
We'll see.
Whoa. Whoa. Captain Burke, you better get in here.
What do you got, Simmons?
This customer, Josh Weiner. I don't know how this one slipped by us, sir, but he's had his phone for 19 months now.
And?
It's still working, sir.
Fuck! Well, fuck! Good catch, Simmons. Had we let this go on another couple months, we'd be giving him a freebie.
Awaiting your orders, sir.
Well, if we're gonna get him, we better get him now. Push the button.
Affirmative, Captain. Pushing button in 3, 2, 1.
No! No! I hate you!
I told you.
You fucking piece of shit, Simmons.
I know, sir. I am, sir.
All right, you big idiot.
Josh, what is wrong with you?
Fuck! Well, fuck!